Good morning, friends. Welcome. We are doing lesson 12 for phonics, so let's get busy. I'm going to share my screen with you. All right, let me get rid of all these things like we're normal. Okay, so we are doing Unit 3, Lesson 12. So our learning targets, I can identify the short and long vowel sounds. I can read words with the oi spelling, and I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story, The Bag of Coins. So we've got the short A, as in pat, a sound, flat, hat, clap, and snap. We've got the long A, as in cake. We have the short O, as in hop, makes the ah sound. We have the long O, as in home. We have the we have the ow sound, as in shout. It is a vowel sound. We have the long I sound, as in bite. It is a vowel. We have the short I, which is a vowel, as in it. We have the short U, is as in but, and it is a vowel. We have the long U sound, which is a vowel, as in cute, cube, mute, and flute. Here is a spelling for the sound, pet. And the power bar here shows that it is a common spelling. We have the E, as in B, it's a long E sound. We have the ow, as in shout, O-U, it is a vowel sound. We have the as in look, and it is also a vowel sound. So we're going to be learning a new sound today, the oi sound, as in oil. Oil, as in oil, the car needs oil to drive. Oil. The following words have the oi sound at the beginning, so repeat them after me. Oil, oink, oyster. Notice oyster is spelled with a Y and not an I. That Y sounds like an I. Now the following words have the oi sound in the middle, so repeat these after me. Coin, join, point, coil, boil. Great job. The following words have the oi at the end. Repeat these after me. Joy, boy, toy, soy, and Roy. Notice they all are with the OY and have the oi sound. Is oi a vowel sound or a consonant sound? It's a vowel sound. I will show you how to write the oi sound. You will trace the spelling on your desk. So start with the O and go all the way around to complete. Start at the top and come down and come back and dot it. Great job. Some vowel digraphs here. We have the oo, as in soon, room, and boot. We also have the sound, as in look, book, and foot. We have the ow sound, as in shout, out, and found. We also have the oi sound, as in oil, point, and join. So let's look at our worksheet 12.1. Our 12.1, notice we have the oi sound on this sheet. I want you to practice writing the oi sound on both lines. Then you've got the word oil. I want you to practice it on both lines. The word boil on both lines and the word coin on both lines. Please don't just write them one time. Please at least put a finger space between your words and write them, okay? Because writing is not helping. You need to make sure you practice your handwriting, please. Then over here on the next page, in the box, there's 6 words. You're supposed to print them on the lines where they fit. You have the word coin, point, soil, boil, oil, and coil. So you have to match them with the correct pictures. All right? Okay, so I'm going to bring it back to right there, and let's go back to our Google Slides. So it says, reread the bag of coins. We haven't read it yet, have we? Nope. So today we will read the story, The Bag of Coins. It is about 2 people who go on a trip together to find a bag of coins. Preview our spellings. We have the owl as in found, loud, shout, and count. We have the oi as in coins, and our tricky words are who, what, my, and all. Our vocabulary, we have the foot of a tree. Look at that. What do you think the foot of the tree is? It's the bottom of the tree, isn't it? Yeah. A bad spot. What do you think that is? It's a bad situation, isn't it? That turtle is in a bad spot because it's on the road. So our purpose for reading. What do you think might happen when people on a trip find one bag of coins? Do you think they'll split it? Do you think one person will take it? I guess we're going to have to read to find out. But remember, there is a moral to this lesson. So let's read our story. The bag of coins. Once 2 men went on a trip. One of them found a bag of coins on the ground at the foot of a tree. Look what I found, he said. It is a bag of coins. And there his other friends coming down to look. Good, said the next man. We can count the coins and see what we have. No, said the man with the bag. The coins in this bag are not our coins. They are my coins. I found them. They are all mine. So there his friend is being selfish, isn't he? Just then there was a loud shout. There were a bunch of men and they were mad. Look, they shouted, there is a man with a bag. He stole our coins. Get him, said the rest. So there they are at the top of the hill and the angry mob of men at the bottom. The man with the coins was scared. Those men are mad, he said. If they see us with the coins, we will be in a bad spot, meaning a bad situation. No, no, said the man next to him. If they see you, you will be in a bad spot. Those are not our coins. Those are your coins. You found them. They are all yours. Now, think about that story. What was the moral of that lesson? That gentleman, he did not want to share, did he? Until it was like somebody's angry and going to come after him. Then he was like, oh, here, you and I can share, right? He was being selfish and greedy, wasn't he? And at the beginning, he should have shared with his friend, right? But he chose not to because he was being greedy because he wanted all of it for himself. So don't be greedy. All right. So 12.2, let's look at it. 12.2, number 1. What did the man who found the coins tell the next man? Do you remember what he told him? I do. Make sure you write your answer down, and you don't have to put the page number, okay? Number 2, why was that mob mad? Why was the mob mad? Make sure you write that answer down too, all right? Don't put your page number though. Number 3, when the mob came, the man with the coin said, if they see us with the coins, A, they will be glad, B, they will be scared, or C, that we will be in a bad spot. So pick one of your answers, but don't worry about the page. Then on the bottom, it says in the box, have students illustrate a part of the story and caption below it. So this one, you're going to write, you're going to draw a picture, and then you're going to write a line or a sentence to go with your picture. Please make sure you write your sentence to go along with your picture, okay? All right, so let's go back to our lesson. All right, so some discussion questions I can write or talk today, excuse me. What does one man discover while he is on a trip with his friend? What did he find? He found a bag of coins, didn't he? Wow. How does the other man feel after the first man finds the coins? Well, he wanted to share them, right? Because they were together. So he assumed that, since we're together, we can share it. But that other man did not want, did he? Nope, he wanted to keep them to himself. So what words would you use to describe the man who discovered the coins? Ooh, he was kind of selfish and greedy, wasn't he? Because he didn't want to share. Who shows up after the man discovers a bag of coins? Well, his friend shows up after he discovers, but who shows up after that friend shows up? It was a mob of men, wasn't it? They were looking for their money. The man with the bag of coins is scared of the angry men. He tells his friend that they are both now in trouble. What does the friend without coins say to him now? He says, I'm not in trouble. It's you, because those are your coins, not my coins. That's all you. Because his friend was trying to say, oh, we're in this together, right? And he's like, nope, because you wouldn't share, so I'm not taking responsibility. What do you think the moral is of this story? To share, right? And not be greedy. All right, 12.3 take home. You have this sheet also. And it's just working on words and just paying attention to digraphs, all right? It's nothing else. It's just practicing those words, because those were the ooh and ah and the oil sounds, all right? So just practice. So our spelling words for the week. Boy, I am struggling with talking. Brook, stood, booth, room, south, proud, shout, and down. Great job. Make sure you're studying those, okay? All right. So that is the end of our lesson, my friends. And I will see you back here again tomorrow. Bye.